This is a last part of writing fiction and drama. What is a short story? Writing a short story is a creation of piece of fiction that is shorter than a novel, but it still uses the exact elements of fiction like setting, where or when the story happens, plot, event that happen, characters, the people in it, and point of view of who's telling the story. Short story can have an outline but not always needed. And it's not also very long. What really matters is the elements of the fiction. Example, a novel take a 300 pages to tell a story of a girl's whole life. But in short story, it might take just 3 or 10 pages to tell about one important day in that girl's life. A short story is silent but also has all important parts to making fiction enjoyable. So, maiksi man yung short story nung The Girl's Life pero naandun din yung lahat ng nabanggit sa novel. Next is the core elements. Number 1, a protagonist with a certain desire or need. This means the main character or the protagonist wants something like love, freedom, success, or peace. This desire drives the story. Like example, in Cinderella, she wants to go to the ball and be free from her cruel stepmother. Pinapakita nito na gusto niyang pumunta sa ball at maging malaya sa kanyang stepmother. Yun ang kanyang desire. At yung desire na yun ang nagpapatuloy sa story. Then number 2, a clear dilemma. This means something stands in the protagonist's way. This is the challenge or problem they must face. Example, in Cinderella, she can't go to the ball because her stepmother forbids her. So, yun yung problema niya. Ang problema niya na pinapakita dito, hindi siya makakapunta sa ball dahil yung pinagbawalan siya ng kanyang stepmother. Number 3, a decision. This means the protagonist chooses what to do about their problem. This decision shows their personality or values. Example, in Cinderella, she decided to go to the ball anyway with the help of her fairy godmother. So, ang pinili niyang desisyon ay pumunta pa rin sa ball with the help of her fairy godmother. Na kahit na pinagbawalan siya, tinuloy pa rin niya ang pagpunta. Number 4, climax. This is the most exciting part of the story where is when we see the result of the protagonist's choices. Example, at the ball, Cinderella's slipper falls off as she runs away and the prince starts searching for her. So, yung climax dito, dahil sa slipper, doon nagsimula yung parang exciting part dahil doon sa pagka-fall ng slipper, nakita yan ng prince at dahil doon, ni-search nung Princess Cinderella gamit yung slipper lang. At dahil doon sa pag-search, doon nagsisimula kung mahanap ba si Cinderella or hindi. Then number 5, an outcome or an ending. This is what happens after the climax. The ending shows how the character or their life choices changes sometimes for the better or sometimes sadly. So, example, instead of Cinderella being happy with the prince, she finds the prince but realizes she can't stay with him because the magic fades. Then she learns that dreams always don't last forever. So, instead na makasama niya yung prince or sumama siya, hindi siya sumama dahil yung magic nag-fades away or nawala. At natutunan din niya na hindi lahat ng pangarap mo or dreams ay natutupad. Kaya yun ang naging ending niya. Naging sad ending siya dahil hindi siya nagkaroon ng happy ending with the prince. And that is the ending of the report of writing fiction and drama.